Hey, I am Andy Delgado and welcome to Andy Taught Me How. This channel is all about helping regular people build useful websites, lead magnets, online tools, and simple marketing systems without feeling lost, stuck, or overwhelmed. If you've ever opened a website builder and thought, I have no idea where to start, you're in the right place. I got some notes here. Let me make sure I tell you everything that you need to know. Here on Andy Taught Me How, I'm going to walk you through things step by step. Not just the shiny finished version, but the real behind the scenes process. We're going to talk about planning your website, choosing your pages, writing your message, creating calls to action, building lead magnets, setting up forms, connecting automations, and using tools like Go High Level and BizStackPro to bring everything together. And we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to build it. The first major project on this channel is a live website build for andytaughtmehow.com. I bought the domain, I connected it, and now we're going to build the website from scratch. That means you'll see the real process from the beginning, from the inception. We will plan the site, we'll choose the pages, we will build the home page, we'll create all the other pages, and then we're going to add training, resources, contact info, and policy pages. We'll talk about colors, fonts, layouts, images, buttons, SEO, and how to make the site clear for real visitors. And there's one of the most important things I want you to remember. Clarity first, builder second. Most people get stuck because they open the website builder too soon. They start dragging things around, changing colors and moving buttons before they know what the website is supposed to do. That usually leads to frustration. We're going to call this a frustration-free zone, maybe. So in this series, we're going to slow down just enough to build smarter. Before we decorate the house, we're going to figure out what rooms we need. That's why I created the Website Builder Toolkit. The toolkit will help you plan your website before you build it. It includes simple worksheets and checklists to help you think through your website purpose, audience, pages, message, calls to actions, branding, and launch steps. You can download the Website Builder Toolkit at andydelgado.com/toolkit. That link will be in the description below. That toolkit is going to be our guide as we build this site together. Now, I'm going to be building inside of BizStackPro, which is an all-in-one marketing, CRM, website, and automation platform. If you're familiar with Go High Level, BizStackPro is built on that same kind of platform and gives you all the tools you need to build websites, funnels, forms, automations, email campaigns, text campaigns, and more. But there are so many added bonuses available in BizStackPro that you're definitely going to want to check it out. So whether you use BizStackPro, Go High Level, or another website builder, the principles you learn here are still going to help you. Because the goal is not just to click buttons. The goal is to understand what you are building and why you are building it. We're going to keep things simple, practical, and doable. I'm not here to impress you with technical jargon. I'm here to help you understand the process so you can take action. If you're here to build a simple 5-page website, create lead magnets, improve your online presence, and set up practical marketing systems, subscribe to the channel and hit the follow. And again, make sure you grab the Website Builder Toolkit from andydelgado.com/toolkit. Then you can build along with me. Welcome to Andy Taught Me How. Let's build something useful together. I'll see you later.